Previously, I shared with you the Browser Use Agent, which is an open source project based on LangChain. And what that project did was, when installed locally on your machine, you could interface with an AI agent via the command line on your CLI or terminal window. And this project went off, opened a browser, searched the internet, and responded with the answer to your query. The only drawback was that solution was based in the terminal window and you had to run it from the command line. The web-based version, which is currently available on GitHub, actually runs a web server locally and serves a UI, as you see currently, from where you can interrogate the AI agent. So you can see, if you ask questions about traffic and routes, it opens Google Maps, it creates bounding boxes with references and gives you the answer. So here's the Run Agent tab. You can see here, there are 5 other tabs. You can see the questions I've asked. What's the weather in Cape Town currently? And because I'm using OpenAI, if I go to the OpenAI console, I can actually see how the questions and the prompts are presented to the OpenAI language model and responds back. There you can see the search, the bounding boxes, the IDs. You can see the different JSON documents between the different screens, and the final answer. You get the duration of the query, the tokens used, and the final answer with the weather in Cape Town. Here I asked the best route from Cape Town CBD to Sea Point. Again, you can see the agent goes through a process and then responds with a final answer. The best route is via High Level Road, takes approximately 13 minutes, 4.7 kilometers. The last question I asked is, what's the southernmost point in Africa? And the agent went off, searched, and came back with the answer saying it's Cape Agulhas. And it gives you the approximation where that is on a map. Also, it creates a video. So it actually creates a task recording of the whole process it goes through while responding to your query. If I go to the very top, you'll see there are a whole host of agent settings regarding LLM models, API keys. If you want to use a planner, large language models, the maximum number of actions you can run. There's also browser use settings for the browser you use. Currently, the browser that's used is Chromium, that pops up and is leveraged for the searches. There's also a agent marketplace. And then lastly, there's an area where you can load and save configuration. So this is a really neat project to install and run and get to grips with what's happening in terms of AI agents. Thanks.